Hello, welcome to OK Math. In the previous video, 3D surface area and volume, we explored general 2D shapes, 3D figures, and the composite figures. Over the next 3 videos, we'll specifically explore a pyramid, since pyramid questions are often complex and layered, involving Pythagorean theorem, solving for a variable, and etc. First, let's make sure our foundation is solid. What is a pyramid? A pyramid is a polyhedron that has a base and triangular lateral faces that meet at a point called apex. Let's go over those terminologies. Apex, it is the vertex, the pointy part of the pyramid. Next, lateral face, it is the area of triangular faces of pyramid without the base. So pretty much everywhere around the pyramid except the base. Last one is base. Of course, it is the base of pyramid. In our case, it will be a rectangle or a square. Besides the apex, lateral area, and the base, we need to know 2 kinds of height for the pyramid. One is the vertical height or the altitude, and the other one is the slant height. Let's go over their definition quickly here. Height h, it is the perpendicular distance from the apex, which is the pointy part of the pyramid, to the center of the base of pyramid. Next, slant height s, the height of triangular face of pyramid. So remember the name says slant height because it's the height of a slanted face. Before we jump into the first question, let's review how to figure out the surface area of a square pyramid. As you know, a square pyramid is made of 4 identical triangles and a square. Therefore, its surface area would be the 4 triangles areas plus 1 square's area. Here I highlighted h in the formula because now we know h in a pyramid represents the vertical height, the altitude. So from now on, we'll use s, the slant height, to represent the height of a triangular face. Now your memory has been refreshed. Give it a try to this first question. Find the surface area of the square pyramid. A square pyramid has the base length of 10 inch and the slant height of 7 inch. Pause the video and give it a try. Here's my approach to the first question. We will use the formula that was given to us. We have the base of 10 and slant height of 7. So all we need to do is put those numbers 10 and 7 into B and S, and length and width, they're going to be the same, 10. So therefore, it will be 140 plus 100, which is 240 inch square. Now you mastered the square pyramid, let's review the rectangular pyramid. It is pretty similar to the square pyramid, except it has 2 pairs of triangular faces and rectangular base. Therefore, its surface area formula will look like this. I hope my color coding is helping. Now, again, I highlight the h because h represents the vertical height, the altitude in our pyramid. Therefore, instead of h, we need to use s to represent the slant height. Alright students, here comes our second question. Find the surface area of the rectangular pyramid. Take a look at the diagram carefully, pause the video, and give it a try. Let's compare our solutions. This is the formula I'm going to use, which is what we talked about in the previous slide. I hope you use the same one. When you substitute the slant heights and base lengths, you must pair them with the corresponding ones. Take a look at the diagram. 6.1 slant height, it goes with 9 base length. And 6.7 slant height, it goes with 7 base length. If you mismatch them, you will get totally different final answer, so please don't. Once you substitute numbers into the right spots, solve them algebraically. Keep in mind, whenever you're doing algebra, please follow the order of operations. Some of you will remember it as bad maths. Anyway, if you solve it correctly, this is what you will get as the final answer. Let's jump into the third question right away. Find the lateral area of the rectangular pyramid. It's the same pyramid, except you need to look for lateral area. Pause the video and give it a try. As long as you remember what the lateral area is, this question is super duper easy. To find the lateral area of this pyramid, you simply need to add up all the triangular faces area. Substitute corresponding slant height and base length together into the formula. Solve them algebraically, and this is the final answer you will get. The last part of today's video is finding the volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of prism's volume, which is length times width times height. Here we will use actual vertical height, not the slant height, so h instead of s. Since we talked about how to find the volume of a pyramid, let's try this question. Pause the video and give it a try. I hope you found this quite straightforward. So this is a formula that I will use and put the numbers into the right spot, solve them algebraically, and this is what I got for the final answer. Great job! That is the end of our video today, students. In our next video, we'll explore the height and slant height specifically. It'll be a bit more challenging than the level 1 video. Hope to see you on our next video. Bye bye!